What is going on, my beautiful people? Hope you are doing well, living well. Today, we're going to be talking a little bit about, honestly, something really, really vulnerable, which is what almost prevented me from ever getting a hair system. What almost stopped me from this journey that I'm 6 years into, right? This video is sponsored by LeVivid, who felt like it was very important to talk about these things with you. So in this video, we're going to talk about the four main reasons, which I almost didn't ever get a hair system, wouldn't be looking as beautiful and handsome as this guy in front of you, wouldn't have helped 40,000 people on the hair system Reddit that I have, and so on and so forth. So those four reasons, the last one I think is going to be the one that surprises you the most, so stick around for that. Now, the first reason I think is a pretty common one, and that is cost. When I was first looking at this, probably about 10 years ago or 12 years ago, I saw this company online. I think it was called Quiff & Co. And they were talking about they didn't talk about the word hair system, but I think they called it a prosthetic. They were talking about one costing $3,000. Those guys made a crap ton of money, did very, very well, and then disappeared. I don't really know what happened to them 100%. But they were charging people $3,000 per hair system. They were making money hand over fist. But I remember I was in London at the time and I saw this, sent it to my mom, and I was thinking, oh my God, I want to do this so bad, but this is so expensive. And I was in college at the time, so I didn't have that type of money at all. I still for $3,000, I would not be getting a single system. That, by the way, is easily what Hair Club is charging people these days, so it's pretty nuts. But cost was the biggest thing. Now, the reality behind that is once you get into the hair system world, with my wholesale prices, or even if you order direct from a supplier, you can probably do this thing yearly and get 4 systems a year for probably around $1,000 between the products, the hair systems, getting like 4 a year, getting haircuts, all that kind of stuff, which to me is not that bad. I think that's doable for people if you have a moderate income. Doesn't really take that big of a chunk out. You're talking about less than $100 a month for that type of thing. So scratch that one off. Very affordable in my opinion. The second one is the maintenance that was required. I was looking online and I was reading about having to do this like every single week, every single month. I wasn't really sure about it, but some guys were talking about it taking hours and hours to do every single time. Or the big language at the time when I was starting was that you have to go see a stylist like every single week. And I was thinking, man, this is so much. I got to take time out of my schedule. I got to plan things around it. Then there was the whole will it actually stick? What happens if it gets loose in between these visits? And it was petrifying thinking about what I would do in all of these situations. And that kept me away from hair systems for a long time. It's actually one of the reasons after I got a hair system, I shaved my head and thought it wasn't possible. I was traveling 2.5 hours to go to the barber that I found, or I should say the stylist. She was a hair system stylist. And much love to her because she showed me what was possible. But she was using glue on my head, and within a week it was loose and smelly and all that kind of stuff. I was in Florida working out. It wasn't a good deal. So I was traveling literally 2.5 hours, 3 hours one way to get this done, like every couple weeks. It was a nightmare. And I shaved my head because of it. This was not sustainable. That's not the case. You learn how to do it yourself. It's going to take you 45 minutes. I recommend doing it every 7 to 10 days. It's 4 hours out of your month. That's it. Not a big deal. Okay? Now, the third thing that almost held me back was actually what people would think. This is a big one, huge one. That really came down to, the people that I saw on a regular basis. So like in the gym, at work, all that kind of stuff. Also the transition period of the people that I knew, family, friends, that kind of stuff, as well as the other side of it was dating. So I had the luxury at the time to not deal about dating because I was in a relationship for the first 2-3 years that I had a hair system. But when it came to family, when it came to friends, to be honest with you, it really, really scared me. But I felt like I needed to make that decision for myself because I felt like not having hair was affecting me so much, like it was keeping me from living my life. And it was very hard. It was very scary. And I felt like everybody could see that I had a hair system. Like everybody that didn't even know me, just walking down the street, I was looking at their eyes. I was like, can they tell? Do they know? What do they see? Are they looking at me weird? The reality is, first, nobody can tell. You guys on this channel are the most critical people that are out there when it comes to hair systems. I have a bad day with my hair system. I make a video. You guys let me know. But nobody else does because they don't see it. That being said, everybody in my life was very supportive of it. I was surprised the amount of support. My family, my friends, they thought it looked amazing and were really, really proud of me for doing something about my hair loss. Then came my breakup and I found out that actually women were quite supportive of it too. Are there some women out there that are going to be mean? Sure. But there's a lot of mean people out there. There's women that are mean about guys' height, about guys' income, about everything, about the car you drive. So why is this any different? Find a good woman that doesn't care about that stuff, that cares about the man that you are inside, not if you wearing a hair system or not. But the last one, the one that was surprising, was actually about travel. I didn't know if I was going to be able to travel with this because I was thinking about, oh, can I, go swimming in the ocean? Can I surf? Can I do this? Can I do that? What if I'm away for weeks at a time? That one is something that held me back because I really wanted to live life to my fullest. And what I came to discover is it was very, very possible to manage this kind of thing as long as you came up with a system. As long as you came up with a system and you kind of predicted the situations you were going to face, it wasn't really that hard, it wasn't that bad. And it could fit inside of, really like a little carry-on bag. So that has been very, very easy. I've made videos about like what I carry around the world with me. I haven't really been in the United States besides a week or two visit at a time for about like 3-ish, 4-ish years now. It's been a while. I've been doing all this overseas, abroad. And not only do I survive, I thrive. And I look pretty dang good doing it. So, these are the main reasons that stop people. It's what stopped me. But the truth of the matter is, once you get into it, you'll see all of that's a mirage. You can handle all of this stuff. It's like, it feels like a really scary thing that after you're like, I don't really know why I was scared the whole time. And isn't that how it goes in life? A lot of times the thing that we're fearful of is actually the doubt and the uncertainty. It's not actually the thing. Like once you actually just jump in with both feet, you're like, oh wow, water actually isn't that cold. It's just the shock of jumping in and then you acclimate in a couple seconds. You're like, this is okay, I'm good, ready to rock and roll. So it's the same thing with hair systems. So I want that for you, just jump in. I know I'm making light of the situation, but if you need a consultation with me directly, you send me an email. You can contact me on Reddit. You can contact me in my email, any of that kind of stuff. And it's like, $30, $50, depending on how long of a consultation you want. Or you can just watch all my videos on here. They're all free. They tell you everything anyways. So either way, guys, hope you have an amazing day. I'll catch you soon. Ciao from Argentina.